So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get $10 super easy, you can sign up for the gig working app called Solo. They're the business app for drivers. You can sign up anywhere in the United States totally for free. Just sign up and show proof that you're a gig worker, and they'll help you with your taxes, they'll help you with your business expenses, they'll even get you guaranteed pay in a lot of major markets. So check out Solo, link below, get your 10 bucks and let's get started. So today we are talking about an Uber driver who was just deactivated for the craziest reason ever. All right, we're gonna talk about it, and we're also gonna talk about how to potentially get your account reactivated as well. So I'm gonna have some helpful links in the description box, but without further ado, let's jump right into this story. So we are today looking at Reddit. This isn't the Uber driver's Reddit, so look at this. 27 minutes ago, I'm livid. So I dyed my hair, I'd say about 8 weeks ago. 21 hours ago, I got one of your riders mentioned that the driver they saw on a trip didn't match your profile in the app. Following instructions on how to submit a new photo. First, you have to request it changed. So I requested it to be changed, and I have many new ones to select from. I was out driving earlier and came in for a bathroom break. I opened the app and my account is disabled because I don't have a profile picture. The only way to upload one is to take a photo with your phone. I take a terrible picture and submit it to receive a message saying it will take 24 to 72 hours to review the pic. So some god dang moron said, hey, Saturday night in a town known globally for nightlife seems like a fine time to disable someone's account while we await a new profile pic. I'm beyond livid. This is straight up effery, the busiest night of the week, the only night with hourly per ride driving incentives. 3 days to approve a photo. Do I get a picture of, gosh, I don't even want to read that, but you can read that. If I need a pic, then everybody who gets in my effing car needs a pic too. Sorry to all the delicate flowers who worry about getting fill in the blank. It's a stupid effing double standard that will now cost me 3 days of pay. So yeah, the people, basically what she's saying is that passengers don't need to upload a profile picture, and they can have their names whatever they want to be. They can have their name be Kanye West for all we care. You know, the passengers can be completely anonymous, while at the same time the driver doesn't have to be at all. So I think that's a big safety issue. She said, oh my gosh, this is entertaining, but so sorry this happened to you. Yeah, guys, there are ways to get your account reactivated. I would firstly try to go to the Uber Green Hub in person, contact Uber customer support, or file an official appeal to Uber. I'll have a link below for that. So if you go here, you can actually submit your whole story here, and this hopefully will help you. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. And again, sign up for the gig working app called Solo, and you'll get $10 simply signing up for free. I'll have the link below in the top of the description box. Optimize your income, track your expenses, and guarantee your pay. Get 10 bucks for signing up with our link. Thanks for watching. Bye now.